Like Bruce says, it's a fucking good day. The motor's out, chopping off. That thing's still being a bastard, but the motor's out and we are ready to put the 124 S&S in. Okay, kept lifting the thing out with my alt tilting it. Exhaust are an absolute bastard to get off, but the motor, which is a good motor if anyone wants a good engine, is a call, is out, and this has had all new cam tensions and stuff in, but obviously a 124 is a different ball game. No matter what you do to a Harley engine, you'll never get that sort of power unless you stick a turbo on it like I'm in my Smooth. That should be close to 300 horsepower when it's done. I also have an Aerodyne turbo with a Mikuni HSR 42T, which is the turbo carb. And watch this space if you want some awesome power drag strip job. And that's the bike it's going in. As you can see, my bagger ain't got no motor either. Got the Baker 6 ready. Check that box, awesome. And 6-speed Baker OD6. So we're just getting ready to put the spews back in mine, and then the turbo adapter's on its way over in the States.